Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening mail and creating a new message or replying to one. This places the cursor where attachments attach. Once done, switch to the Files or Photos app to find the document, image, or PDF you want. Make sure the file size fits your recipient limits and that you know its location. This avoids repeating steps. If the file is in another app, use Share to copy it into files so Mail can access it directly and quickly. Now attach the file. If you're in Photos or another app, tap Share and pick Mail to create a new message with the file included. This is fastest. Alternatively, in your Open Mail draft, press and hold in the message body, tap the arrow, then select Add Attachment to browse files. On iPad, you can use Split View to drag a file into the message. Make sure the correct file name appears in the draft before proceeding so you don't send the wrong item. Finish by confirming the attachment preview or paperclip icon in your draft, add recipients and subject, and tap Send. If the file is too large, compress it in Files or use Mail Drop. Mail will prompt you for Mail Drop for attachments over 20 MB. If the attachment fails to appear or send, force close Mail, reopen it, and reattach. Also check Wi-Fi or cellular data. If problems persist, move the file to Files and attach again, or restart your iPhone to clear transient issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.